Today marks the 25th anniversary of the landmark Supreme Court case Planned Parenthood versus Casey. That was Bob Casey, governor of Pennsylvania at the time. The case challenged the constitutionality of several Pennsylvania provisions regarding abortion. While the court affirmed Roe versus Wade, the case also allowed greater state-level restrictions on abortions. Joining us now is Michael New, associate scholar at the Charlotte Lozier Institute. Welcome to the program.
Well, thanks for having me. Appreciate it.
Also at Ave Maria University.
Yes, in sunny Florida.
Yes, in sunny Florida. The Casey verdict was not good for the pro-life movement, but you say that it set the course for more pro-life progress. How can both be true?
Well, both can be true because the pro-life movement really invested quite a lot in this decision. We worked hard electing pro-life presidents Ronald Reagan and George H.W. Bush. Between them, they appointed 5 Supreme Court justices. So when we thought that the Supreme Court was going to reconsider Roe in the Casey decision, we thought there was a good chance they would use it as an opportunity to overturn Roe v. Wade. And when they didn't, it was a real disappointment and a real setback.
Well, let's take a look at its. And so that was a setback, but then you were able to make the states were able to actually do more things to restrict abortion. Let's take a look at some statistics. Since 1992, the number of states with parental involvement laws has increased 20 to 37 states, and the number of informed consent laws increased from 18 states to 35 states. Those are pretty big jumps. Tell us about other pro-life laws that have been strengthened.
Sure. I mean, the Casey decision did uphold much of the Pennsylvania Abortion Control Act, which was being litigated at the time. And we've seen about 20 states have passed 20-week abortion bans that would make it illegal to do an abortion after 20 weeks of gestation. We've seen a number of states pass things like ultrasound laws, which would give pregnant women the opportunity to see an ultrasound before an abortion. So we've seen a lot of gains in terms of number of states with clinic regulations. So in a variety of metrics, we've seen a number of laws have been passed. Guttmacher tracks state-level pro-life laws, and it seems that every year we set a record. We had like 92 passed in 2011. We had 70 passed in 2013.
That's amazing.
So states have become very active passing
Sure.
these laws, and we've done quite a lot to protect the unborn.
We only have a few seconds left, but I want to know, do you think that the Supreme Court will ever get the opportunity to reconsider Roe versus Wade and to reconsider this one as well, the Casey verdict?
I think that there's a good chance that the Supreme Court will reconsider, and it's hard to predict how the Supreme Court may rule on a decision of such a magnitude, but I just hope whatever happens, pro-lifers are shrewd enough to use the legal openings are granted to pursue additional avenues to protect the unborn.
All right. Thank you so much for joining us. Michael New, Associate Scholar at the Charlotte Lozier Institute.
Thank you.